So I am here in front of BLT, Bright Laser Technologies. Bright Laser Technologies is one of the leading solution providers in additive manufacturing industry. We are offering to our customers machines. We are also a big metal powder producer, and we are, I will allow myself to say, the biggest global 3D printing service provider. Today we are here together with our partner, with Maptec, and it's really great to be here. Yeah, I can try. I've been around for many years, so I will allow myself to say that I understand a little bit additive manufacturing in Middle East. So very similar to what was happening in other regions. Today we have a very successful and competent service providers. This technology is now slowly moving into high-end, fully regulated industries like aerospace, defense, and we really expect expand in the coming years and much more in this region. It's unfortunately first time for us to be here. I say unfortunately because it's a pity we haven't been part of this event in the previous year. Event is not that big, but it's really focused on companies that are already in additive manufacturing or look for solutions to improve their competitiveness or their products.